Hello everybody and welcome on BBTV. Yippee-yi-yay, yippee-yi-yo. And here we have 3 surprise eggs. The yellow one, the green one, and the purple one. Come on, let's open it. Yoo-hoo! Yippee-yi-yay, wah-wah-wee, wah-wah-wah. First, we open this purple surprise egg and we take a look what we find inside. Mickey the Beaky, Mickey the Beaky, Mickey Mouse. Hello everybody, my name is Mickey Mouse. Okay, Mickey Mouse, stand here, my best friend. And now we take a look what we find inside the green one. Oh, Masha, Masha from Russia.
Hello, привет. My name is Masha. I am coming from Russia.
And the last surprise egg is the yellow one. Inside this surprise egg, we find Peppa. George, what are you doing, George? My eye, my nose, teeth and toes, shoulders, and teeth and toes. Thank you very much for watching. See you tomorrow on BBTV, the best channel on YouTube. Right, Mickey Mouse?
Right.
Right, Masha? I don't understand. Right, Peppa? Peppa, come here, Peppa. Oh. Goodbye, my friends.